this guide, I'm going to show you how you could stop Forza Horizon 6 from crashing. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Forza Horizon 6. You need to hit the pause menu and you need to go into your settings. And the first thing I recommend doing is going into your video settings right here. And you're going to want to try lowering your resolution. So scroll up. For whatever reason, it put me on the very bottom. You can see resolution on here. Try lowering that. If HDR is also turned on, I'd recommend also turning it off and testing the game again, and check your frame rate setting in here as well. You can increase this all the way up to 240 FPS. You want to set this to whatever your monitors are as well, so just keep that in mind. But that'll immediately make the game look better as well if you're getting more frames, just keep that in mind. But while we're in our settings right now, you're also going to want to go down to graphics and performance and lower any settings that are, too much for you. If they're extreme or ultra, you could go ahead and turn them down, especially if your computer can't handle it or your platform can't handle it. If it's still crashing though, what you need to do is verify the integrity of the game files. If you're on PC, just open up Steam, right click on Forza Horizon 6 in your library, select properties, installed files, and then hit verify integrity of game files. And after you do that, you'll be good to go. But when you do go ahead and open this back up, what I'd recommend doing is once again going back into your settings and adjusting these ones that we just went over. Also, and I forgot to mention, if you don't have full screen set on here, make sure that you do set this to full screen as well. If it's like windowed full screen, it's gonna lag out. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm gonna be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, that sucks. I cannot believe I just worked like that. If you guys had, once again, any questions though, ask them down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.